Hello everyone. Today, I want to dive deep into an essential topic for anyone looking to improve their website's visibility. How to get Google to crawl your website effectively. Before we get started, I have a quick tip for you. If you're serious about monitoring your URLs in real time, ensuring safe indexing and boosting your search performance, I highly recommend checking out URL Monitor. This tool is invaluable for keeping your online presence in top shape, allowing you to identify issues quickly and maintain optimal search visibility. Try it out using the link given in the description below. First things first, log into your Google Search Console account. This platform is indispensable for managing how Google interacts with your site. It provides insights into your website's performance in Google search results, helping you understand how to optimize it better. Once you're logged in, locate the specific URL of the web page you wish to promote. It's crucial to have the correct link because this is the page you want search engines to index. Whether it's a blog post, a product page, or any other type of content, make sure the URL is accurate. After you have your URL ready, copy it and paste it into the designated area on the Webmaster Tools interface. Then, press Enter to submit it. This action alerts Google that you have new or updated content that you want it to consider for indexing. After submitting your URL, it's essential to exercise patience. The indexing process can take time because Google needs to crawl your web page and upload all relevant information to its database. During this time, your website might not show up in search results immediately. This delay is normal, so don't be discouraged if you don't see immediate results. To expedite the process, you should also request indexing. This notification prompts Google to prioritize your page for indexing, which can help speed up the process. Keep in mind that this entire procedure may take a bit longer, especially if your website has a lot of information or if Google's crawl budget is limited. Once your URL has been submitted and the indexing request has been made, the system will acknowledge it. Google will then review and index your site over time. It's important to note that while this initial phase is crucial, your ongoing efforts will be key in maintaining your site's visibility in search results. After the indexing process is complete, it's a good practice to conduct a live test to see how your site is performing in real time. You can run these tests regularly to ensure that everything is functioning correctly. Thorough testing can help you identify any issues early on, allowing you to make necessary adjustments. When your live test is ready, you'll see various options available. One of the features allows you to check when Google last crawled your website. This information can provide insights into how frequently Google is accessing your site and whether it's staying up to date with your content. To see the current status, enter your URL in the search bar. Google will then update all relevant information regarding your website in its database. This step is vital as it confirms that Google is aware of your page and is in the process of indexing it. And that's it, everyone. This is how you can effectively get Google to crawl your website. Remember, the process requires patience and ongoing effort, but with diligence, you can significantly enhance your site's visibility in search results. By the way, don't forget that you can monitor your URLs in real time, ensure safe indexing, and boost search performance with URL Monitor. I encourage you to check the link in the description below for more details.